Go Carpet Cleaning, Norcross, Georgia. Are you looking for a carpet cleaning company that cares as much about your health as they do about keeping your carpets clean? Go Carpet Cleaning is the only company you need. Our crew is committed to providing a methodical approach to cleaning that will leave your carpets feeling fresh and appearing clean. We specialize in cleaning carpets in homes and offices, and we only use natural, eco-friendly products that are secure for your loved ones and household pets. Contact us today for a totally free quote. About our carpet cleaning services in Norcross. Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning carpets in homes throughout Norcross, bringing years of experience to every task and a consistent dedication to customer support. We ensure customer satisfaction on each and every task, because we want to make sure that they are completely satisfied with the carpet cleaning services we provide. We're among the highest rated carpet cleaning companies in the metro Atlanta area, and we're devoted to eliminating spots and bacteria with safe and environmentally friendly solutions. Whether you need commercial or residential carpet cleaning services, our team has definitely got your back. When you contact our carpet cleaning services, our qualified cleaners are experienced in hot water extraction, steam cleaning, a kind of cleaning that removes stains by thoroughly cleaning the fibers of your carpet in a non-toxic manner without using harsh chemicals. The best part? We put in a lot of effort and make use of effective steam cleaning equipment to get deep down into your carpet's fibers and into every nook and cranny so we can offer a complete, thorough carpet cleaning. We've provided our commercial carpet cleaning in Norcross and the surrounding locations, including retail locations such as Gucci. Go Carpet Cleaning can meet you at your business location. Call today. Schedule Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet cleaning in Norcross, Georgia. Call 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Norcross-GA.